Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix your YouTube homepage. If you can see, we have a lot of YouTubers just right here popping up on my homepage, but some of them I don't like them and I want to fix my suggested page right here. So what we're gonna do now is the next thing. We are searching for a video that we don't like. So let's say this video, the 1700 a month video, I don't want to get recommended videos like this. So what we're gonna do now is we click here on the three dots and then we click on not interested. And now we tell YouTube or told YouTube that we don't like this type of content. So the next time they won't suggest that type of videos for you. So let's say we want to do this for this video too. No, not interested. And right now YouTube knows that we don't like that type of content. So this is how you can fix your homepage, aka suggested. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.